So now problem number 4. Using the remainder theorem, factorize the following polynomial x cube plus 10x square minus 37x plus 26. Sure. Now how to solve it? Let fx equals to x cube plus 10x square minus 37x plus 26. Now put x equals to 1 in fx. Then all the x are replaced by 1. So f1, that is equal to 1 cube plus 10 into 1 square minus 37 into 1 plus 26. That is equals to 1 plus 10 minus 37 plus 26, that is equal to 0. So since f1 equal to 0, so by factor theorem, x minus 1 is a factor of fx. Is it clear absolutely? So now, dividing this polynomial by x minus 1. Since x minus 1 is a factor of fx, so now we divide the polynomial by x minus 1. So after dividing, we get the quotient equal to x square plus 11x minus 26 and remainder equal to 0. So that's why I write it here. On dividing x cube plus 10x square minus 37x plus 26 by x minus 1, we get x square plus 11x minus 26 as quotient and remainder is 0. Sure. Now the other factors of fx are found out as, now we have to use middle term theorem on this quotient. X square plus 11x minus 26, that is equal to x square plus 13x minus 2x minus 26, and simple calculation we got this one. So hence factors of this original polynomial equal to x minus 1. Since here we see that x minus 1 is a factor of fx, so x minus 1, and there are the two factors, that is x plus 13 into x minus 2. Sure. Now problem number 6. If fx equals to 2x cube plus x square plus bx minus 6 leaves a remainder 36, when dividing by x minus 3, find the value of b. With this value of b, factorize fx. So see that here are the two parts. First part, find b, and second part, after finding b, if we put there and factorize this polynomial. Now given fx equals to 2x cube plus x square plus bx minus 6. Got it? Now in your question, it is also given that fx when divided by x minus 3 leaves a remainder 36. Therefore, f of 3 equal to 36 according to the question. So now, since fx equal to 2x cube plus x square plus bx minus 6, so f of 3 equal to how much? 2 into 3 cube plus 3 square plus 3b minus 6 equal to 36. So after simplification, we got b equal to minus 7. So now first part is done. Now put this b equal to minus 7 in this fx. Here put. So what happens, substituting the value of b in fx, we get fx equals to 2x cube plus x square minus 7x minus 6. Since look at that, there is plus bx. So instead of b, we put minus 7. So how much it is? Minus 7x. Got it? Now in this fx, what is the constant term? This minus 6. Minus 6 is the constant term. So now the factors of minus 6 are 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3, and 6 and minus 6 obviously. Now we find that clearly f of 2 equals to 0. You can check it. Okay. And other values, we fx cannot be 0. Got it? So now, since f2 equal to 0, so x minus 2 is a factor of fx. So we can now divide this polynomial, original polynomial fx, by x minus 2. So after dividing, we got this is a quotient and remainder should be the 0. Got it? So that's why I write it. Now dividing 2x cube plus x square minus 7x minus 6 by x minus 2, we get the quotient equals to 2x square plus 5x plus 3. Sure. So now the original polynomial, this one, can be written in the like that, x minus 2 into 2x square plus 5x plus 3, because x minus 2 is a factor and here the quotient equal to 2x square plus 5x plus 3. So this one and this one multiplied. Got it? So 2x cube plus x square minus 7x minus 6 equals to x minus 2 and into 2x square plus 5x plus 3. Now we break this polynomial, second order polynomial, second degree polynomial, using middle term method. So applying middle term method, we got these two factors. Sure. So if this original polynomials break into the three parts, this one into this one into this one. Sure. Thank you. So now our next question is problem number 7. What number should be added to the number this one so that the resulting polynomial leaves a remainder 10 when divided by 2x plus 1? Okay. So how to solve it? Let the number be added to be k and the resulting polynomial be fx. Then obviously fx equals to this polynomial plus k, because we have to add it k here. So now when fx is divided by 2x plus 1, then the remainder should be f of minus half. See this corollary. If a polynomial fx is divided by ax plus b where a not equal to 0, then the remainder is f of minus b by a. Sure. So by this polynomial, so by this corollary, we get this result. That is, when fx is divided by 2x plus 1, the remainder should be f of minus half. So since fx equal to this one, so f of minus half should be this one. So after calculating, we get k plus 3. Sure. See this calculation. Sure. It is obviously very simple calculations. Put x equals to minus half here, or instead of x put half, minus half. So after calculating we get k plus 3. So now look at that, the remainder is 10, so that's why k plus 3, so k plus 3 should be 10. So according to the given conditions, k plus 3 equal to 10, so k equal to 7. The homeworks. Number 1, find a if the two polynomials ax cube plus 3x square minus 9 and 2x cube plus 4x plus a leave the same remainder when divided by x plus 3. And number 2, what number should be added from 2x cube minus 5x square plus 5x so that the resulting polynomial has 2x minus 3 as a factor. And number 3, what number should be added to this one so that the resulting polynomial leaves a remainder minus 2 when divided by 2x minus 3. And the last one is the polynomials this one and that one, when divided by x minus 2 leave the same remainder, find the value of a. Now we'll give the hints of the question number 4. So since here we divide both the polynomials by x minus 2, so if we consider this one like fx and this one like gx, so we have to find f2, f of 2, that means this one, f of 2 and g of 2. Since leaves the same remainder, you have to equal, they are equal. And for this relation, you have to clearly find a. Thank you so much.